Hey there, welcome to our channel. So today I would like to explain how to use data entry form. This used to be predominantly present in earlier version of Excel, but lately Excel has put it hidden somewhere. Let me tell you what is data entry form basically. So let's say if you would like to add some database. Okay, so let me just quickly put it into table format. Alright, so you would like to keep compiling data, but you would not like to write it directly into Excel sheet, but you would like to use it in a form format like you used to do it in Microsoft Access, some other form, but that form option is not available here. So we are going to bring it in here. I'll just click my ribbon and I'll say more command. I'll go up in here and I'll try to find out form. Alright, so it's not up there. So I'll from the drop down I'll say all command. Excuse me. And from here you can select form. Let's go in here. Alright. And there it is. Form. Say add. I'm just going to put it into my quick access toolbar. Okay. And you can see this form has come in. Now you can click this form button there and you can start entering data using form format. So I'll say one name is ABC, father's name is DF, mobile number is 999999999, ABC at gmail.com, city is Singapore. Let's say I'm just putting in the country name. You can say new and our data is entered there and has switched to second. I'll say EFCKLN, mobile number is 888888. DF at gmail.com. My city is London this time. It's a new. So this keeps recording. This used to be very predominantly present in earlier version of Excel, but it's hidden now. So you know how do we do it? Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.